Alright, now if you've got a K&N air filter right here, it means it is reusable for really up to 1,000,000 miles. This one right here needs to be cleaned out. You can see all the bugs and nasty stuff in there. But this is how to do it. It says apply the cleaner, rinse it, dry it, oil it. So you need a kit with the cleaner and the oil on there, but you're just going to spray your air filter. Alright, I'm just going to let that sit a minute while I go grab the hose. Alright, now I got the hose, don't want to use any high pressure. Alright, now at this point it's cleaned up a lot better. Just going to set it out in the sun to dry for a little bit. Alright, once it's dry enough, you're just going to take your oil, and oil it up. Just wipe off the excess, and then we're going to set it back out to dry for a couple more minutes. Let the oil get soaked in. Okay, it's dry enough. And boom, you got a new and recharged K&N air filter, and it's even dog approved. Right.